Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be an AlinaCraft project share. Just using up the dies. So this is like the bobbin, not bobbin, like a spool holder, like for trim and stuff. It comes with the big one and the small one. And then it comes with these two little pieces. I'm not sure what they are, but I kind of have an idea, I think. I don't know, I'm just guessing. So you don't have to use this for trim. So I did the tiny one right here. I did it in 110-pound cardstock, and it's a lot sturdier than regular, 60-pound or 80-pound weight. And then I put my little Hobby Lobby gems that I'm obsessed with. So I did some baker's twine, and I tucked it in these little, like, wherever your string ends, if it's at the top, the bottom, and I tucked it in. As you can see, it's just like chilling right in the back right there, and it holds it so it doesn't unravel itself. Then the bigger ones, I was like, okay, let's get creative. So I cut it out in 110, and then I cut it out again in like pattern paper cardstock. I stitched the two pieces together, and then I put some bling in the corners again. And then I went ahead and I did two slits with my X-Acto knife and just popped in some little, like, you can make handmade paper clips and, send them to people. So I did some little pom-poms with just like little ribbon sticking out the edge. And these fit perfect on this larger sized one. So I was just, I'm always trying to think of like double ways to get use out of your dies, not just for what it's intended for, but other like little embellishments and stuff, especially because I do happy mailing. That's like my forte. Next is this one right here. Again, cut it out in 110. And I used two of these flowers from my stash that I was gifted in my embellishment giveaway. So I just glued them on real quick, and I was just trying to show you guys that you can stick embellishments on here as well, like kind of like at an angle catty corner from each other, and they will fit. And that just looks super cute. These are the things. So these things right here, I was thinking it goes in here and you could glue it kind of like a suitcase tag. I'm not sure, but I'm assuming like you would just glue it down up inside there. That's what I would assume it was for, to kind of make it look like a tag, like a hanging element. And then this piece right here that cuts out like this, I think this is just for like labeling purposes. So for instance, like you write what it is, or you can stamp something on there like a little sentiment, and then you can obviously do this in like white or an opposite color, and you can glue it on there and like label whatever it is that you're, or the color or the brand or the designer, stuff like that. Or handmade. So the options are definitely endless with these cute little guys. The next thing are these ones, kind of like, those little holes to hang things from. All sorts of different shapes. This shape, this shape, this shape, and then regular holes. All sorts of sizes as well. Multiple sizes of each. So for this one, I used these like nesting dies. They're kind of like a jagged edge at the bottom with stitching all the way around, so it's only jagged at the two sides, I guess, or top and bottom. This is from Andy's store. So this is what it looks like right here. I did cut it out in like thicker white cardstock and did some stitching all the way around. And then let's see on the back of this, yeah. And from Aliexpress, I used this heart scalloped border just to add like another layer of color on here. And then I just did a little sequins mix with AlinaCraft's new sequins, and I think it's a cute way. And look, it has the little hanging element. When you're sending to somebody, they can hang it if they have a pegboard and whatnot, but it just adds that little extra fun element to your projects. So there's that. And then again, I used the largest one on here with the second largest heart scalped one right here, and I made a bigger giant version. Again, I used a bigger whole piece since this was a bigger tag, and I did some bows right here. These are AlinaCraft bows. This is the big one. There's a smaller one. They have like the heart detailing around the edge of the scallop, and then I just ran both of them through twice. Once in gold and then once in glitter, like a bluish mint color. You can't really tell on camera. And I fussy cut, the heart parts off so I could layer the two pieces together. And then the little Hobby Lobby gems in the center. Again, and just another fun way to send like embellishments or like bows or whatever, whatever your little mind can think of. So that is my quick little AlinaCraft project share, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys!